Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video today I will unbox the Lego City, the Plate Stand Challenge. This is the stands set that was released on 2022, and in the set we got two minifigures, and you can take a look from the behind of the box. Alright, so before I unbox this, I just kinda hope that Lego fix the bike quality, because the last two set that I unboxed, the motorbike was kinda like broken or something. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this box, they don't use sellotape, they use the hand here, but I'm just gonna go and cut it because I don't like to damage the box. Okay. Let's take a look inside. Oh no, that's pretty bad. It's cut like this. My bad, it is. So here we go, we have our first bag, and this second bag, and that's all for the bag. We have two bags and the instruction books here. So it's pretty big. guys, I already finished the set. So for the end of this video, I'd like to give some feedback. So first is we have this extra part. I'm not sure, but Lego always have some extra part in every set. So here we go, we have the bike. It's just like the same bike on the Lego City 60299 edition, the stunts, but have a different rim. And let's take a look at the minifigure. Here we go. These guys looks very awesome. I really like the clothing here. Have some purple clothes, and look at that helmet. Get the helmet, and it has like a body armor here, I guess. And for the second minifigure, we have a woman with some yellow vest here, with purple pants and some guitar. And here, I think this is a speaker. And I really like the part that they give like blue hand as a glove, I guess, the blue glove. And here also we have some kind of extra speaker, big speaker here, and they include this kind of like a thunder stuff, but it's blue. So let me show you how this blade works in this set. I'm gonna put one side first and take those at this middle, right? Alright, so how it works actually is that whenever the motorcycle it hits this both things or just one side, and there's a string here that will pull down the blade, the blue blade here. So I'm gonna show you right now. So we move ahead these things. So right there we go. So for the final of this video, I'm just gonna show how it looks like, but with the bike. Right, I'm sure everyone knows how the bike works. You kinda go make it move forward 3 times and then just launch it. Okay, that's for it everyone. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. I see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.